Hello students, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to learn class 10's pair of linear equations in two variables chapters. The topic equations reducible to standard forms. In this particular topic equation reducible to standard forms already we have done in our previous sessions. If you want to check some other equations reducible to standard forms, then you can go to the description box of this video and you can get the link of all other previous videos and you can check it out. So let us start today's video. So for this particular topic today I have chosen 4 different types of questions for you and I'm going to solve it. So I hope that everybody will be paying attention to it and will watch the video till the end. So our first question is 4x plus 6y is equals to 3xy, 8x plus 9y is equals to 5xy, where x not equals to 0, y not equals to 0. This x not equals to 0, y not equals to 0, this part is actually has been given for the validity of the question. Now look, previously we have done with x term, y term and constant term. But here we don't have any constant term. In spite of having any constant term, we have a new term consisting of x and y both. Okay. So how we will be reducing these type of equations to standard forms? That's our aim today for this particular question. So let's start. We will write this question first 4x plus 6y equals to 3xy. Then we will divide throughout the equation by xy. That means 4x plus 6y divided by xy equals to 3xy divided by xy. This xy will be cancelled out. For this, if we are making it individual fraction, means 4x is 4x divided by xy plus 6y divided by xy. I am just writing this one only. 6y divided by xy, this is equals to 3. So from this we can get x cancelled out, y cancelled out. Ultimately we are getting 4 by y is plus 6 by x equals to 3. We can write it as 6 by x plus 4 by y equals to 3 also. Now look, already in the previous sessions we have done this type of questions when x and y are in the denominator's position. Then we have to assume 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v, and then we will get it standard forms. So this one I'm giving number 1. I will find out for number 2 also in this way. So it will be 8x plus 9y is equals to 5xy. That implies I'm writing it directly 8x divided by xy, that means 8 by y plus 9 by x is equals to 5. So that can be written as 9 by x plus 8 by y is equals to 5. Okay. This one I'm giving the number as 2. Now, for these two equations, we can assume let 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. Therefore, these two equations will be reduced to 6u plus 4v equals to 3 and 9u plus 8v equals to 5. I'm giving the names as 3 and 4. Now I'm performing elimination method and I'm just going to cancel v. So this is 3 into 2, that means 12u plus 8v is equals to 6. 4 into 1, 9u plus 8v equals to 5. Minus 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 sorry, this will be cancelled out and this will be 3u is equals to, this cancellation will not be done, 12u minus 9u is equals to 3u equals to 6 minus 5, that is equals to 1. So u equals to 1 by 3. If u equals to 1 by 3, that means x will be 3 because x is equals to 1 by u, so x equals to 3. Now we can put x's value in 1 or we can put u's value in 3 or 4, then we can get v's value. That would be better. So from 3, 6 into u means 1 by 3 plus 4b equals to 3. That means 3, 2. So 4b equals to 3 minus 2 equals to 1. That means b equals to 1 by 4. That means we can write y equals to 1 by b. That means 4. So we have got x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. So this is our answer for this question. Did you understand? Again, I'm just telling the particular process of doing it. If you have no constant term and in place of constant term you are having xy term, then you are going to divide the whole equation by xy. You will get like this structure where x and y will be in the denominator, and then you have to take 1 by x equals to u, 1 by y equals to v, and go with the same process like previously already we have done. Now question number 2. Look at this question's type. In this question, x, y, xy, all terms are in the denominator. xy are also in the denominator and xy term is present and present in the denominator. So how we will do or we will solve these equations? First we need to write the given equation. Okay, and we will just do its LCM, nothing else, normal LCM. So we will get 2y plus 3x in the numerator. So xy will be cancelled in both sides, numerator's place, so denominator's place. That means we are writing x first. So it's 3x plus 2y equals to 9. I'm giving this number as 1. Look at this form. This is a very simple form, that is standard form. So we have got standard form of first equation. Coming to the second equation, in the same way, again we will do the LCM. xy and this side the 21 by xy, and this will be 4y plus 9x. xy will be cancelled out. So we are getting 9x plus 4y equals to 21. That is number 2. Now these two equations, 3x plus 2y equals to 9, number 1, and 9x plus 4y equals to 21, number 2. These two equations are very easy to solve. Okay. So number 1 into 2, then we are getting 6x plus 4y equals to 18. Number 2 into 1, we are getting 9x plus 4y equals to 21. That means minus minus minus, 4y will be cancelled out. This will be minus 3x is equals to minus 3. That means x equals to 1 we have got. Now x we have got 1. So from 1 we can write 3 into 1 plus 2 into y equals to 9. That means 2y equals to 9 minus 3 equals to 6. So y equals to 3. That means x equals to 1 and y equals to 3. These two are the answers for this question. Coming to question number 3. And this is again another type. Look at this type. Here xy term there, x is there, y is there, but the form is like this. Xy in the numerator, x and y in the denominator. This is x plus y and this is minus x plus y. So for this reason, what we can do, that is, first we need to write down the given equations. Okay. This one, both the equations I am doing together so that you can get the brief idea. We will just take its reciprocal. Okay, that means we will make the denominator in the numerator and numerator in the denominator for the whole equation. That means we will write like this. Okay, means you are just flipping it. And this one minus x plus y divided by xy is equals to 6 by 1. We can write it as 6 by 1, so it will be 1 by 6. This one we are just making it individual. X by xy, that means 1 by y. Y by xy, that means 1 by x is equals to 5 by 6. And this one minus 1 by y plus 1 by x equals to 1 by 6. Now look, one thing, I'm giving this one as number 1 and this one as number 2. Look, already I have told you one method for having this type of form, that 1 by x you take it as u and 1 by y you take it as v. That is obviously a very simple method, but there is many more other methods which can also be correct in its logical way. So I'm going to show you one kind of that different type. I'm not taking u and v, rather 1 by x, the whole 1 by x I'm keeping it as it is, but in my mind I'll be taking it as one variable. Look how. So I'm writing number 1 equation, 1 by x, x first is equals to 5 by 6, and number 2 equation, x first is equals to 1 by 6. Now I'm not taking anything, rather directly I'm doing elimination method. Look, this one plus 1 by y, this one plus 1 by y, minus 1 by y. So these two will be cancelled out. That means here plus plus. So it will be 2 by x, right? 1 by x plus 1 by x is 2 by x is equals to 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equals to 6 by 6. That means 1. So we can write x equals to 2. That means x equals to 2. Once we have got x equals to 2, we can put in any one of the formula. So I'm just taking 1 x equals to 2. That means 1 by x equals to half. Okay. So from 2 or from 1, anything you can write. That is 1 by y plus half is equals to 5 by 6. That means 1 by y is equals to 5 by 6 minus half. So you just make it LCM. So it's 5 minus 3. That means it's 2 by 6. So it's ultimately 1 by 3. That means 1 by y equals to 1 by 3. So we can write y equals to 3. That means we have got x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So these are the answers. Okay. I'm just repeating it again so that you can get its clear idea when we are having this type of things, xy and x plus y or x minus or y or whatever else, this type of formation, then we will just break it into individual fractions. If xy is in the numerator, then we will just flip it over, and if xy is in the denominator, then we will just make it individual fractions. And then you can take 1 by x as u, 1 by y as v, and then go with the same flow that we have done. Or you can check out this one. This is a new method that I have done. I haven't assumed any different variable for x and y, rather I have directly done with 1 by x and 1 by y and got the value of x and y as 2 and 3. Okay. Question number 4. This particular type of question is very important. Look at this question. Previously we have done x and y in the denominator. Now we have x, y both in the denominator in this form. One is x plus y, another denominator is x minus y. But just remember that the process will be exactly same. That means we will take, previously we have take 1 by x and 1 by y. Now we will be taking 1 by x plus y is equals to u, and 1 by x minus y is equals to v. Therefore, the given equations will be, what it will be? It will be 40u plus 2v equals to 5, that is number 1, and 25u minus 3v equals to 1. This is number 2. We are going to solve these two. How? Again by elimination method. I'm just repeating it again so that you can have the clear concept that these two equations can be solved by either substitution method or cross multiplication method or comparison method or graphical method also. But I always prefer to do with elimination method. That's why I have chosen elimination method. Rather, you can choose your own method that you are comfortable with. Okay. So number 1, we are multiplying with 3. Number 1 into 3. So we are getting 120u plus 6b is equals to 15. And number 2, we are multiplying with 2. So we are getting 50u minus 6b equals to 2. Plus minus will be minus as it is and will be cancelled out. That means we are getting 170u is equals to 17. From this we can write u equals to 17 by 170, which is 1 by 10. So u equals to 1 by 10. That means 1 by u equals to 10. Okay. Now u we have got this one. I am just finding v now from 2. So from 2 we are getting 25u means 1 by 10 minus 3v equals to 1. So from this we can get 3v equals to 25 by 10 minus 1, that is equals to 15 by 10. That means v equals to 15 by 10 into 1 by 3. So it's 3 5s are 5 2s are. So it's ultimately 1 by 2. That means v equals to 1 by 2. U equals to 1 by 10. V equals to 1 by 2. So from the assumption we can say x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 2. This I'm giving number 3. This I'm giving number 4. You can check these two equations now. Very easy equations, right? So we can do the elimination again. Y will be cancelled out. We are getting plus plus, so 2x is equals to 12. That means x equals to 6, and we are putting in 4, x equals to 6 minus y equals to 2, so y equals to 4. That means we have got x equals to 6 and y equals to 4 as answers. Okay, so I'm just repeating it again. If you are having this type of two denominators, then you take as previous 1 by the denominator is equals to u and 1 by the second denominator is equals to v, and then go proceed with the same way to find out u and v's values. After finding u and v's values, we will put u and v's values like this, and we will get another two equations and we will solve it for x and y, and we got the answer. Okay, so this is all about today's session, students. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the session. In the next session, we will meet with some other topics. Till then, have a good day and bye-bye.